XRP is testing a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another XRP analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Let's see if we can get 7 likes on this video. As you guys can see on XRP, we currently saw a beautiful bullish engulfing candle break above that resistance here at 36 cents, which I mentioned to you guys is going to act as a very strong resistance point and as well as a very strong support point. You can see that we were testing these highs. We actually got the high around the 40-cent mark, which was a beautiful retest right above this resistance level previously. And I mentioned the fact that in order for XRP to actually continue having its bullish momentum, we would need to bounce off this crucial support. You can see that XRP, right after I made that video, had a nice pullback opportunity on the 4 hours. Like we mentioned, we would be watching to see whether or not those exponential moving averages break. We actually did see the break immediately after, and we saw a beautiful retest of that support, and that support level did hold perfectly, and now we are above those exponential moving averages once again. This usually indicates, of course, the fact that this is a continuation pattern, and the next take profit level, of course, would be that 44 cents. But there are two things to keep in mind. Number one, of course, is the fact that we are also in this M formation being completed. We have to keep in mind that there is still that bearish formation happening. And number two, of course, is the fact that the only support that bulls really have is the fact that we are above 36 cents. If we do see a break of this formation and a continuation to the downside, that would invalidate the bullish momentum trade that we are currently seeing right now. And of course, it's going to be very crucial for the bulls to try to come in here and take control of these levels. Ideally, what we would like to see is another retest of the support level like we saw over here. This was a beautiful opportunity that the bulls definitely had. You see that we actually had a beautiful V-shaped formation, retested that support level multiple times, but then we saw the break of that formation. Ideally, I would like to see the same sort of situation where we see multiple tests on this support and then the continuation, but any strong bullish engulfing candle would validate the fact that we are, of course, in this W formation, right? There are two formations that we pretty much are watching right now. There is an M formation, but in my opinion, I am more leaning towards the fact that this is a W formation because of the fact you can see in terms of this bullish momentum, we had a very strong pullback opportunity from right over here. Yesterday's video, I mentioned the fact that because we broke above this resistance level, what I'm looking for right now is that retest and then the continuation, and that's exactly what we saw in XRP. Of course, we do have a nice pullback opportunity right now, but in my opinion, short term, I'm still looking for this bullish trend to complete, possibly retesting around that 44. The only difference, of course, is the fact that if we break below this 36 cent level and then start to consolidate, that move would become invalidated, and then the M formation would become in play. This range is going to be very crucial for XRP to actually trade within, so keep a close eye on the 4 hours. On the hourly time frames, you can see that XRP, of course, is above that beautiful resistance level here at the 36 cent, using it as support. And we are seeing the same sort of formation, right? Let me go ahead and delete my line here for you guys so you can kind of pay attention. We saw a beautiful momentum trade, but we have to be very, very careful here because, as you guys know, we are in this somewhat BART formation as well, right? You guys know when we have these bullish move sets and these candles that pretty much go straight up, they tend to have a candlestick breaking right back down, retesting those lows, and then that continuation. We have to keep in mind the fact that that is definitely a possibility, so keeping a very close eye on this 36 cent support level. As soon as you see that break of that formation, you would understand that we wait for the pullback and then the entry, right? Don't enter the position, obviously, once you see that break of that formation, because it can definitely be a fake out opportunity, right? We've seen the fake out on XRP many times before. You can see we saw the same sort of fake out right over here. We actually tested that level and then immediately after pumped. Of course, the trade did play out for the bears side of things, but we don't want to be entering based off guesses. We want to be entering based off confirmation. We would have waited for that confirmation right over here and then played the move to the downside. And that's exactly what we're looking for again on XRP right now, is that consolidation zone and then the continuation. But if we do see that break of that formation and see that retest, that would signal us the fact that we are looking to retest the lows. And if we go here on the 4 hours, you can see that the support lines are drawn. My major level of support, of course, is at 28 cent level, and extreme cases is at 17.5. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.